welcome to Sonic Hills. Just been testing out my slot car controllers. I had to fix them. As you can see, I've now got these 90-degree plugs on them, and so all my controllers are fixed now. I'll take you back a few days to before I fixed them, and you can see the condition that they were in. So I'll catch you on the other side. Don't know how well you can see that, but I've got to do some repairs. Two of these four positions here are broken. I've got to replace those. I have to put a new one of these in them. And also, all 5 of my slot car controllers need fixing. They keep getting knocked out. As you can see, it's bent. That one's even worse. It's amazing they still work. Most of the time they don't work. You've got to hold it just right. So I'm going to replace them with 90-degree ones this time. See if that reduces the damage. So that'll probably take me a bit to do that. So I'll see you when I finish them. One thing I've done just recently is this area here used to have my computer sitting on it. I have now shifted that up here out of the way, made it nice and tidy, and that gives me more space to put my tools and scenery material. Right, I've now finished repairing my slot car controllers. As you can see, I've now got the 90-degree plugs on all 4 of these. I haven't done the 5th one yet because that's just a spare. I ended up replacing all 4 of these jacks here and replaced another 2 on the main one and another one over in that corner over there. So in all I replaced 7 of these points. So that's all done. Right, I've had another package come in. What I've got here is a pack of 30 horses. When I ordered them, it described them as an assortment of farmyard animals. The picture showed an unpainted cow, but what I've ended up with is 30 unpainted horses. That's alright, I can still use those. This package here should be a flat deck. A flat car. Again, I got these through Wish, and this came from China. It only cost me $19. So for $19, this looks pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with that. I think I'll get a few more. I'm going to end this video here. I'm going to do some maintenance on my cars. So thank you very much for visiting Sonic Hills, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.